So I used to be pretty feminine when I was a kid. Like I was on the inside, I had like a masculine core. I was ambitious, had very high goals, and I was very competitive, and I always wanted to be better than other kids around me. But on the outside, in the way I looked, in the way I behaved, in the way I interacted with other people, I was pretty feminine. I was not dominant, I was not confident, I was not really aggressive, I was not asserting myself. And this is mostly the fault of the modern narrative and the world around us that kind of teaches us to behave more feminine and kind of turns men into women. I'm gonna get cancelled for this. Basically, for example, school, the teachers, whether they realize it or not, whether it's on purpose or an accident, they are teaching you to be more of a girl because they are teaching you values that are good for a girl to have, but not that good for a man to have. This is where testosterone comes into play. Testosterone is a hormone that basically makes you into a man. Men have higher testosterone than usual and women have lower testosterone, and that is how it should be. Raising your testosterone will make you look more like a man, and it will make you think more like a man. You will be more competitive, you will be more ambitious, you will be more aggressive, and you will be more confident, which are the things that you should want to have as a man. So today I'm gonna give you 3 bad habits that many people do every single day that are lowering your testosterone and making you into more of a girl, let's say. So the first habit I want to talk about is bad diet. So it is very important what you eat for many reasons, not just testosterone but also health and your physique. But let's talk about testosterone in this example. We can talk about specific foods that lower or raise testosterone, but in general you just need to have a healthy diet. You just need to eat healthy, which is like, you know, it all comes together. If you eat healthy as a man, that will be good for your testosterone, your health and your physique. It's just eating healthy is a win in every scenario. But there is also specific foods that you should avoid if you want to have high testosterone. And for example, this is soy products, so soy milk and anything soy. That's why they call them soy boys, you know. It's because soy lowers your testosterone. Soy makes you more into a feminine boy. Eating a lot of bread and like baker products can be bad for your testosterone. Mint is bad for your testosterone. And then also drinks are really important. So alcohol is horrible for your testosterone. If you drink a lot of alcohol, that will kill your testosterone. Sugary drinks and sugar in general is not good. Another habit that's hurting your testosterone is masturbation. So this one is kind of awkward to talk about, and I don't know if you heard of this already or not, but masturbation is actually bad. You know, they teach you that it's normal and that it's healthy and that every teenager should do it, but that's not the truth. Masturbation is actually really unhealthy for you, and if you're religious like I am, masturbation is a sin. It is lowering your testosterone, it is making you more sluggish and weak, and it is basically turning you into a loser. So masturbation is not by any means healthy and good for you and normal like society teaches you today. Along with that, watching adult videos is even worse. The pornography is horrible for your mental health alongside with your testosterone and all in all making you into a loser. So if you're doing these two, which I'm gonna guess that 95% people watching this video are doing those, maybe even every single day, you need to stop doing that. And I also know that it's not easy. Honestly, stopping masturbation was one of the most difficult things that I have ever done, but it was worth it. The third habit that is ruining your testosterone is bad sleep. So if you get 5 hours of sleep every night, your testosterone is gonna be dropping in huge amounts. To have healthy levels of testosterone, and not just that, but also mental health and physical health, sleep is incredibly important. You need to watch out how you sleep. If you have problems falling asleep, I actually made a video about that. I too had huge problems. I couldn't fall asleep for a long time after I lay down in the bed. Now I fall asleep like a baby in like 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm still amazed by the changes that I made. So I made a video about it, and if you have the similar problems, I would highly recommend watching that video and fixing your sleep, because it has huge health effects on you. It might be the most important thing on your self-improvement. So those were the 3 habits that you need to stop doing if you want to raise your testosterone. There's many other habits, and if you want me to make another video about 3 more habits, I can do that, absolutely. So that's all I had to say in this video. If you liked it and you want to see more, you can check out my channel. There is plenty of videos there. You can maybe watch this one if you want to watch one right away, and you can subscribe if you like that. So that's all I had to say. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.